The attorney for a 13-year-old accused of murdering a classmate says his client is too young to understand his charges.
You may remember police arresting a total of 9 teenagers for the killing of 17-year-old Jonathan Lewis.
8 News Now reporter Joshua Peguero was in court today as a judge weighs whether 4 of them will be tried as adults.
At the heart of arguments on Wednesday morning is whether 13 years old is too young to charge someone with murder.
He is not competent at this time to understand the procedures, the roles of the people involved in the process, including his attorney, the prosecutor, the judge, and so on.
That's Anthony Wright, an attorney representing one of the 4 teens that appeared before Judge Amy Maston.
He doesn't have a basic understanding of the criminal procedure.
That argument received an immediate pushback from the prosecutor.
It is the district court and the district court only who can make the decision regarding competency once a review of the competency evaluation is done by a mental health professional.
We can't identify the teens since they're juveniles, but prosecutors want to try them as adults. District Attorney Steve Wolfson previously discussed the challenges of prosecuting a 13-year-old.
I don't disagree that it's not an easy thing to understand how a 13-year-old could commit murder. But I don't want to exclude it from being possible.
Metro says 10 teens beat Jonathan Lewis near Rancho High School in November. That fight was reportedly over a stolen marijuana vape pen. At a hearing in adult court in December, prosecutors say they believe the 13-year-old and his 15-year-old brother may have delivered the deadly blow to Lewis, a death that has shattered his family.
Violence just begets more violence, and these children just don't really even know what they're doing half the time.
Those 9 teens remain held without bail in the juvenile detention center. 4 are already in the adult court system, while the other 5 are still in juvenile court. Joshua Peguero, 8 News Now.
The judge granted a competency exam for the 13-year-old. He and the other 3 are expected back in court on January 31st. Police also continue to search for a 10th teenager involved in that beating death of Lewis. If you have any information on this case and the people involved, call Crime Stoppers, where you can remain anonymous. David.